What if you could cure a fatal genetic disease simply by pressing a biological mute button? Meet Alnylam Pharmaceuticals. They are not just participating in the biotech industry, they pioneered a completely new class of medicine called RNA interference, or RNAi. Traditional drugs clumsily try to block toxic proteins after your body makes them. Alnylam intercepts the genetic instructions at the source, stopping the disease-causing proteins from ever being manufactured. It is essentially a fundamental hack of the human operating system. Their growth engine is a blockbuster therapy, treating a deadly condition where misfolded proteins slowly destroy the heart and nerves. Originally limited to a tiny, ultra-rare patient pool, a recent breakthrough unlocked a massive new market of hundreds of thousands of patients. The ultimate clinical advantage? It requires just one simple subcutaneous injection every 3 months, replacing exhausting hospital IV drips and transforming patient lives instantly. Alnylam has engineered a brilliant 3-tiered cash flow machine. Blockbuster sales. They sell their proprietary therapies directly, commanding premium pricing that generates a rapidly growing baseline of billions in revenue. Pharmaceutical Titanstone payments. Pharmaceutical titans pay them hundreds of right to co-develop Alnylam's future pipeline. Profit royalties. Massive global partners handle all the expensive marketing and global distribution for Alnylam's cholesterol and blood drugs. Alnylam incurs zero commercialization costs and simply collects high-margin royalty checks. Why can't competitors easily copy them? Alnylam's moat is an ironclad fortress of intellectual property. They own the foundational patents for how RNAi works. Furthermore, their drug delivery technology is generations ahead of the industry. While competitors are stuck developing weekly treatments, Alnylam is actively engineering next-generation therapies designed to require just 1 or 2 shots an entire year. Once a patient experiences this level of convenience, they never switch. Biology comes with friction. The primary bottleneck is the staggering price tag of these miracle therapies, putting Alnylam in the crosshairs of intense global insurance and government price negotiations. Additionally, the ticking clock of eventual patent expirations means they must constantly out-innovate generic competitors. Finally, their astronomical future valuation heavily hinges on unproven clinical trials targeting everyday conditions like high blood pressure. If those trials fail, a massive chunk of their projected growth vanishes. Ultimately, Alnylam is a rare breed, a visionary science experiment that has successfully crossed the threshold into a highly profitable biotech empire.